Alright, I found some keys. Can't remember if they're boat keys or not. Let's see here. What's that look like? It looks like that. Yeah, them are boat keys, alright. Alright. There we go. There we go. Wow, kind of looks ugly. There's an oil tank. There's a battery. Looks like a starting battery. Fuel cell. It's gotta be a fuel cell, right? Another starting battery. Two starting batteries over there. Maybe one's a deep cell, I can't tell. Alright. You know, as oily as it is in this compartment, I would think that lock would be as oiled up as it could get. Okay, we're going to shut that one for a minute. Let's look at these. They're all unlocked. Okay, it's definitely wet storage, wet tank. That must be for a light? No, seat. Thank you. I'm gonna say, I hope there are any dead fish in there. It smells like dead fish in there though. Yeah, some leftover bait. Some kind of a bag. Oh, you know what that is? That must have been their outboard. Oil change kit, winterizing. Huh. Not sure why you'd keep it in there. And then another live well. All right. And a dry tank, maybe. Full of leaves. Huh. Well, I definitely got some seats that need to go to the upholstery shop. I don't think I trust me to do seats. Say, here's a question for you. Who does seats? Interesting. I'm guessing she's got steering cables. All right, so let's sit down in the cockpit here. Feels good. Nice. We got live well, switches, Pro Air. What's Pro Air? What's that do? Bilge pump, voltmeter, tachometer, right? Speedometer, kilometers, and miles per hour. Huh. Goes up to 80. Fuses. That's got to be tachometer right there. Fuel gauge and a clock. I don't know. Was that a switch? Was a switch for something. Another switch. Fuel, battery. Fuel and battery check panel. Interesting. It's got a cigarette lighter. Live well drains. Interesting. They move. So the top one does. The bottom one don't seem to move. Throttle. Forward and reverse. Neutral. There's 12-volt power. Don't know what it went to. Probably went to a fish finder. It was up here on the dash. What else we got? Surface temperature. And that gauge is toast. Temp. A water temp. Pitch trim. I like that. Pressure. Hope that's oil pressure. And then a flasher. Okay. Here's a, I don't know, is this a new set of controls or an old set of controls? I think he said, oh, those are really nice though. Yeah, that's smooth. That's smooth. I bet that's what we're going to put in. I'd probably put that one in. We got seats. Oops. We'll set that one up there. Here's another one. We'll set that one over there. Okay, well, that is a rotten floor right there. It's like my daughter's been putting rocks in here again. Trash. It's got wood. Why has it got wood? That's not factory, is it? Can't be. This boat holds 4 persons or 600 pounds. There's a fire extinguisher. I didn't see that before. That's over there. And I'm thinking, I think that's a rod locker. Oh yeah, it goes way up to the front. Okay, that's a rod locker there. And what else we got? I am just a little scared. Flotilla. It's kind of moldy looking. Interesting. Got a life vest. Nasty. There's an anchor. And a bag of sorts. Another floaty. Alright, otherwise that's just dry storage, it looks to me like. And like this, it's got an anchor. can go away. All right. Then, so close that one. Let's see what's in this one. Yeah, none of them are locked. Just a live well. I think that's a live well. Water filler. Just a water fill. That's just a trim panel. That's dry storage. Wiring. All right. Okay. Well, like I said, I think he threw some of this stuff in because I think he knew the floor was bad. I asked him specifically if the floor was bad. He said, no, I think the floor is good. Nothing good about that floor. So she's definitely sat out in the weather, in the rain. But that will end because, I mean, I got a garage now. This boat will be going in.